So, you've heard the buzz about Acorns. Maybe a friend's raved about it, or you've seen those catchy ads. And you're thinking, yeah, I want a piece of that passive income pie. But there's a tiny little hurdle, linking your bank account. It sounds simple, right? But trust me, I've seen enough confused faces to know it can be a bit of a maze. So, let's navigate this together. First off, what exactly is Acorns? It's like having a super smart, money-managing friend who automatically invests your spare change. It's investing, but without the spreadsheets and the financial jargon that makes your eyes glaze over. But to make this magic happen, Acorns needs to know where your money lives, your bank account. Okay, let's get down to business. How do you actually link this thing? Step 1, the Acorns app. Assuming you've already downloaded the app, let's dive in. You'll see a profile icon, usually in the top left corner. Tap that. You should now be in a settings or profile menu. Look for something that says linked accounts or bank accounts. It's usually pretty straightforward. Step 2, find your bank. Acorns tries to make your life easy by offering a list of popular banks. If your bank is there, consider yourself lucky. Just tap it and follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually a simple login process. Step 3, the manual route. But what if your bank isn't on the list? Don't panic. Acorns has a backup plan. Look for an option like link manually or add bank manually. You'll need two crucial pieces of information, your routing number and your account number. These are usually found on your checkbook or in your online banking portal. Step 4, security first. You're about to share some sensitive financial information, so let's talk security. Acorns uses encryption to protect your data. But it's always a good idea to double-check the website or app URL to make sure you're on the legit Acorns platform. And never share your login credentials with anyone. Step 5, confirmation. Once you've entered your bank details, Acorns will usually verify your account. This can take a few business days. You might see a small pending charge on your account as part of this process. Don't freak out. It's just Acorns making sure everything is kosher. Common issues and solutions. Let's face it, things don't always go smoothly. You might encounter error messages, or your bank account might not link successfully. Here are a few common issues and potential solutions. Incorrect account information. Double-check your routing and account numbers. A single-digit error can cause problems. Bank holds. Some banks put temporary holds on new account connections. This is usually for security reasons. Insufficient funds. Make sure you have enough funds in your account for the verification process. App glitches. Sometimes, the app itself might be having issues. Try logging out and back in, or restarting your phone. Additional tips. Start small. Begin with a small investment amount to test the waters. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect overnight riches. And there you have it. Linking your bank account to Acorns might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you're well on your way to starting your investment journey. Remember, it's about small steps, consistent saving, and letting time work its magic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.